Hello everyone, this is Marcus McFarland, Family and Consumer Sciences Agent with NC Cooperative Extension in Union County. And this is FCS at Home. One of my most fondest memories when I was a kid was waking up to breakfast being made in the kitchen by my parents. I would always see them scrambling eggs or making bacon in our cast iron skillet that we've had for so long. It's one of the most important and versatile utensils you could have in your kitchen, and it's a staple in a Southern home. You can use it on top of the stove or even in the oven, and it's so durable and lasts you a lifetime. Some families may even see cast iron skillets be passed down generation to generation. And today, I'm going to be teaching you all how to properly care and season your cast iron skillet to make it last longer. Seasoning helps to make a non-stick coat and make your cast iron skillet last a long time. And all it takes is a little bit of work, but it comes out making all your foods delicious. Let's get started by cleaning up our cast iron skillet. What you'll need to do is use a little bit of water and some mild dish soap to completely clean your cast iron skillet. You can use a non-abrasive scouring pad or coarse salt to help scrub away some of the food that has stuck to your cast iron skillet from prior cooking. Once that's done, what we want to do is completely dry the cast iron skillet as much as possible. We want to prevent any type of rust on our skillet since it is made of a metal. So that will involve using a dry cloth, paper towel, or you can put it onto the eye of your stovetop and let it heat up to dry away and boil away any type of water or any moisture. Once it's done and it's completely dry, you're going to take some cooking oil or a high burning cooking oil. This can be used as canola or vegetable oil. And you're going to wipe carefully a light amount of cooking oil all over the cast iron skillet, making sure to get within it and on the other side of it. Once you're done coating your cast iron skillet, take your paper towel and wipe off as much as you can of the oil as possible. We want to leave it looking shiny, but not greasy or sticky. This could cause rancidity to create a smell onto our cast iron skillet. Once it's completely coated and you've removed excess oil, take your oven and turn it to 350 degrees. Once it's done preheating, take an aluminum foil and put it on the bottom rack of your oven to prevent any type of cooking oil drippings onto the bottom of your stove. Once your stove is done preheating, you will put your skillet in with the inside of the skillet facing downward. And you're going to heat this for 1 hour. After the skillet is done heating for an hour in the oven, allow it to cool down completely. When it is cool, you will have a well-seasoned cast iron skillet that's ready for your next favorite dish. For more information, tips, tricks, recipes, as always, visit our county extension website at union.ces.ncsu.edu. Until next time.